Hey guys, day 2 of moving out of the Scottsdale Airbnb. So you guys can see it's not very homey anymore, but the new owner I'm sure is going to do something they like. The kitchen, we took down all the pictures, all the pots and pans, everything's out. We have our dryer, which we're coming back for tomorrow, and the washer. Table's out. The living room is completely empty. It's a 2-bedroom. This bedroom, we got everything out. Got the signature blue wall we left behind. This one was renovated for about $18,000. Bathroom was everything was remodeled pretty much. We redid the shower niche, shower. We actually epoxied these. They turn out beautiful. We did paint the cabinets. We're leaving the mirror. Over here is the master, the bigger bedroom. Got everything out of there. Here's the big bathroom. Again, renovated all the floors. We renovated that tub prior to turning it into Airbnb. So we're sad, but we're fine. We're moving on to a different location. They only allow 3-month rentals in here, which we didn't know at the time, but had a good 6-month run, and we did very well on the fix and flip. We had multiple offers, found a buyer right away. So we're gonna hit 10 this year, and this was just a learning experience, but we're definitely on a good path, good journey. So follow us, and we'll keep sharing our goods, bads, and uglies of the Airbnb journey, but it's going very well. Peace.